Good morning to all of you. We continue with the for loops. This is the last video which is being uploaded today, and then there will be a break, summer break will be there, and we will rejoin together on 22nd. From 22nd onwards, the 22nd June onwards, new videos will again get uploaded to you. For this time being, you people are having a break, and in this break you have to do the summer assignment, and please, whatever been left out, if you could not get it through, then arrange a notebook from some of your friends. Those who have complete your notebook, keep it ready, and start practicing out. As soon as the school reopens, government allows to reopen the school, there will be an exam. These things cannot be retaught to you, so you have to do it. And as I said that I will be continuing it, saying one thing, that yes, you have to practice it out. You have to trace the loops. Unless and until you start tracing it, working with it, you are not going to learn anything. So please, where as in the tracing of the video, I leave it up to second tracing or third tracing. The rest of the tracings to be done by you. Today we will be writing a video. Today we will be solving out the Fibonacci terms. Though two methods, I will be teaching you the two methods of the Fibonacci terms, and then we will have a Fibonacci series, Fibonacci series, and one question was left to input a number and check whether it's a deficient, abundant, and perfect or not. So first question that will be, and then series will be there. This is what you people will be having in, and then from the next video we will see what to do the next one. Thank you. Let's proceed to the program now. Web to input a number and check whether it is a perfect number, abundant number, or a deficient number. Now, perfect number, when the sum of the digits, sum of the factors excluding the number is equal to the number. Abundant number, when the sum of the factors excluding the number is more than the number. When the sum of the factors excluding the number is less than the number, it's a deficient number. So 6 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. This is a perfect number. Is it? Now for 12, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. So now this is 6 plus 4 12, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 1 16. Now this is an abundant. Is it? Now for example, take a 4. So 1 plus 2, it's a 3. Now this is a deficient number. Is it? So let's continue with the program. Import java.util.asterisk class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. So you require int loop, you require a number, you require a sum. Let the sum equals to 0. System.out.println, enter the number. So n equals to sc dot next int method. Now run a loop for I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. If n mod I equals to 0, s equals to s plus I. Now, if the sum is equals to the number, then it's a perfect number. Is it? Else, if the sum is greater than the number, then it's an abundant number. Otherwise, it's a deficient number. Close the main, close the class. Now, web. To create a Fibonacci series, Fibonacci series up to n terms. Now, what is a Fibonacci series? 0, 1. These are the two numbers. 0 plus 1, 1. Now, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Dot, 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 n terms. Is it? This is what you are going to do. Now, import java.util.asterisk class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. So you have a int I, you up to n terms a, b and c. Let the a value be 0, b value be 1 and c value be 0. Alright, now so enter the limit n equals to sc dot next int method sop a sop b. So sop a b, that means 0 and 1 gets printed up. Is it? So two elements already printed up. So now you can run here from I equals to 3, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, c equals to a plus b, SOP C. Now C equals to A plus B, 0 plus 1, 1. So C get printed up. Now A equals to B and B equals to C. अब जो A है उसमें B की वैल्यू चली गई. So this was A and B. You got a C. Now this B changes to A and this C changes to B. Now again added up. 1 plus 1, 2. So you got the C here like. Now again B will change to A and C will change to B. Now add this, 2 plus 1, 3. You got the C. This is what it has been done. Close the main, close the class. This was the one method. Now the next method, you have to create a series. This was already you have assumed a value. Let's not assume a value. So import java.util.asterisk class Fibo void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. So again here int I n a b c. Alright, now here a equals to -1, b equals to 1 and c equals to 0. So enter the limit n equals to sc dot next int method. Run a loop for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. C equals to a plus b, SOP C, and a equals to b, b equals to c, outer for close, main close, class close. Now suppose n value you have taken as a 3, I equals to 1, 1 less than equals to 3. C equals to minus 1 plus 1, it's 0. So 0 gets printed out. Then A equals to B, that is A equals to B. So B value is 1. B equals to C. C value is now here equals to B. No. So C equals to C value is now 0 here. Is it? C value is 0. So now I equals to 2, 2 less than equals to 3. So C equals to 0 plus 1. So you got a 1. 1 gets printed out. Now A equals to B. What is B value here? 1. What is C value here? 1. So now I equals to 3, 3 less than equals to 3, C equals to 1 plus 1, 2. So you got a 2. This is how you have to do it. And now the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. So 0, 1, 1. So you got 0 plus 1 plus 1, 2. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Now 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, ... in terms like this. So import java.util.asterisk class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. You require int a b c d I n. Alright, so a equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to 1, d equals to 0. So plan. Enter the limit. N equals to sc dot next int method. So SOP A, SOP B, SOP C for I equals to 4. Already 3 elements printed now. I less than equals to n, I plus plus. D equals to A plus B plus C, SOP D. A equals to B, B equals to C, and C equals to D. So for close, main close, class close. Similar to the previous one. Thank you.